So if you're thinking that you cannot afford obtaining a higher education, I would definitely say, like I've mentioned before, reach out to people that have already gone through the process. There's a lot of veterans out there and organizations that can help you with this, but you can reach out to people that have already gone to school and ask them. It's very important to find out before you can just rule it out for you, that you can't afford to go to school. So you should definitely ask veterans that have attended school. Also, if you're interested in pursuing a higher education at a specific school, the financial aid office will be more than happy to schedule an appointment for you as an incoming student, and you can ask them any question about how the financial process works. It'll be very unusual that you're the only veteran on campus, so they probably are familiar with how does that look, and you can ask them all those questions that are of concern of you, and then you can definitely know that it's definitely a possibility.
A student veteran is still eligible for the Pell Grant, even if they're still using their education benefits through the VA. I had no idea about that for about 2 years, so 2 years in, that's like 2 or 3 semesters that I could have used that. That would have been helpful. Paying attention to that. Also paying attention to the certain tax breaks that a student may be eligible for, either students or just vets. I know depending on the state that you're in, you may qualify for certain things, and instead of just doing a blanket just tax return, just again, due diligence, paying attention to those little details can really help you stretch your benefits.